Module 1. Lecture A. Introduction to the course. Welcome to Master TensorFlow 2.20, a course designed to move you beyond plug-and-play models and into building robust, production-ready deep learning systems. If you've ever felt limited by off-the-shelf layers, losses, or metrics, this learning path will show you how to take full control of your models while still leveraging the power and convenience of Keras. You'll be guided step by step, with a focus on practical patterns you can reuse across projects, whether you're refining research prototypes or scaling models in real applications. As you move through the journey, you'll learn how to subclass tf.keras.layers.layer using the build and call methods, so you can cleanly separate initialization from shape-dependent setup and correctly manage trainable and non-trainable weights. You'll design custom losses and metrics, both as simple functions and as full classes, handling reduction, masking, internal metric state, and resets so your components save, load, and reproduce behavior reliably across runs. From there, you'll configure mixed precision and loss scaling, use TensorBoard Profiler to pinpoint performance bottlenecks, and apply tools like nan-inf detection, gradient clipping, and optimizer tuning to keep training stable, even when models and datasets become large and complex. By the end of the course, you'll be able to build your own reusable Keras components, plug them into existing workflows, and systematically debug and optimize training without guesswork. You'll know how to detect and fix instability, speed up experiments with confidence, and ship models whose behavior you can explain and reproduce. Whether you're coming in with basic TensorFlow experience or a broader machine learning background, you'll leave with concrete skills that make your deep learning projects more reliable, more efficient, and far easier to maintain over time. Thank you for your attention. See you all in the next lecture.